What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Lowrider Boulevard video. We're back for the rollout. Original Lowrider Super Show, Las Vegas, Nevada, Memorial Day weekend. We're out here at the convention center for the rollout. We're gonna catch some cars rolling out. Check it out. That's right.
It's the Lowrider Boulevard, and if you're gonna come with it, then you coming hard. Yeah, and you know that this the spot. Hitting switches, watch the 6-4 drop. It's the Lowrider Boulevard, right. And if you're gonna come with it, then you coming hard. Yeah, and you know that this the spot. Hitting switches, watch the 6-4 drop.
Here we go. Hey, the little homie driving. That's right.
Too many niggas hungry to be trying to clown top down. None of you
Hey guys, I just want to pause the video real quick to let you guys know you can now buy the t-shirts that I wear on my YouTube video, the t-shirts that I give all the Boulevard Stories episodes, which is the No Lowriding No Life Gold version, No Lowriding No Life Chrome version, the Cruising Is Not a Crime. I also have one called City Lights, and just the regular Lowrider Boulevard logo t-shirt. If you guys want to support my channel, that is a great way to do it. Plus, you can rock some cool merch. TheLowriderBoulevard.com. I'll also leave the link down in the description. You guys can pick up a shirt. That'll be a great way to support. I appreciate you guys. Let's get back to the video. Second place?
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Big go, man. Big lap number 1. California seat.
Boulevard, that's right.
That's right. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. I think it's where everybody's going for the hop.
Right now?
Yeah. At 7, I think.
Sorry, maybe we passed the time.
Oh. What's up, Dan? Let me get one of them pumps.
Everything for sale. Everything's got a price. Yeah. Oh yeah, everybody was in here today. A lot of things.
traíamos el boludo.
61 Bel Air.
Side to side, baby.
What up, dog?
Next time, my boy.
All right, man. They're all gonna go to the Fantastic Indoor Swami. For that, but not for Fantastic Indoor Swami was already doing. All right, man.
That's crazy. It's so hard to get all the colors.
Oh, look at that. Do it again.
That's how I need to roll, to be honest.
Right.
Low key, bro.
Yeah, okay. All right. Hey, hop it.
Yeah, I'm gonna head over there, George.
That's right. Yeah. All right, guys, that was a rollout at the original Lowrider Super Show out here in Las Vegas. Memorial Day weekend out here at the convention center. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Turn on that notification bell, especially subscribe. It's totally free. Make sure you guys check out thelowriderblvd.com, thelowriderblvd.com. Pick up your shirts. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.